Hey everybody, we had a few releases today, so I'm going to make this pretty quick, but I'm going to walk through some things that happen in the market as well as Rogue Radar. So when we look at what happened on crude oil, we had a build on stocks, but commercial stocks came down. And again, if you look at Rogue Radar down here, you will see that commercial stocks and oil product stocks, those still are kind of in a bullish place. Production is still pretty high, but it's stable at 13.5 million barrels a day. Demand, refineries are running full tilt. Another thing is exports have dropped. This is technically bearish because it's leaving more barrels in the US. Um, but our stocks really aren't showing it, which means it implies decent demand here in the United States. So I think this is really a positive move. Um, our imports have been solid and steady, hanging around 6.5. Global supply is anywhere from 103.8 to 105.5. 2024 ended very tepid. So demand on global is really a little bit of a concern. Outlook for global demand on 2025 is 105.3. That is actually behind the original projections for 2024. So they're already signaling that it's a lot weaker in China than people believe. Um, on the gas side, storage is still pretty full, but we're going to have 3 weeks in a row of 200 plus withdrawals. Gas weighted degree days are very strong. Production has dipped mainly because of freeze offs. There's been a lot of freeze offs that are coming. Canadian imports are way up. This actually surprises me given the temperatures, but we're at 8.6 BCF a day. Demand is solid, LNG solid, Mexico solid. International price is solid. European storage has been dipping and it's below 70%. That is a big one. So let's go back to the charts. We are still we are still in an upward path. This is something that I was referencing in some of our Discord videos that we might go down to test the 72.95 before we go back up. We could even test this 71.41. I do think we are going to stabilize around this price level until we get better info out of China or different info. But if geopolitical conflicts, Russia, Ukraine, Israel, Hamas, if those have peace, we are going to drop probably by $5 to $10 a barrel. So that is just a fact. Now, on the gas side, let me actually blow this up because there's a lot more movement that has been happening. We have gone, oh, wait, that blew up crude oil, not natural gas. Let's take that. Okay, so natural gas, we went all the way from 67.2 down to this 344. We've kind of hit the mark again at this 67.9. This is a number we've been watching in Discord. If we get above this level, we are probably going up to 450. That's what I see from a technical level. Abraham's crystal ball is saying $4. I don't know when, but that is a likelihood. I would be watching the 367.9 and 359.9 as the key supports there. So I'm making this quick because it's kind of midweek. So I wanted to get this out there. Hopefully this helps get you rooted, but definitely read through Rogue Radar because there's a lot of content in here that really dives in a little deeper on what is happening in the market. So take a look at that. There's also down below, there's some information on stocks, and this does include ETFs such as Boyle, such as coal, that type of thing. So take a look at it. Let me know what you think. Hit me up, bounce me back on email, or drop something in Discord, and we'll talk soon.